Hello all, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to see how to delete duplicates record from table. So basically firstly I just copy this table, like let's create the table. So we created the table name DEmployees, and where we are the four columns, right? And their values we are inserting. So firstly create a table. This is the standard syntax to create a table. Now we created the table, right? And now if I insert this data into this table, and now let's see the result we will get. Now if you see, we have records. Amit is a duplicate records, if you see, and Ravi is a duplicate records, right? Because both employee name, department, salary are the duplicate. So we can decide that on the basis of this column we want to delete this Amit record, first record, and then Ravi also. Then how we can achieve that? Like firstly we are going to create a CTC where we assign the row number on the basis of this partition. So we are going to create the partition on the basis of this three column, right? So how we can achieve that? Select star from, whenever you want apply the window function, we are creating a new column, so we are not do the summarization of the data. So now I've just applied the row number function. Row number don't take any arguments, so we are applying this row number on the basis of partition. How we can do the partition, like window function, and how we can create the window using the partition by clause. Party by partition by, and we want to create the partition, but it may, like suppose if we create a partition on only one column, right, it may possible that it will not delete the duplicate records, right? So we need to delete the duplicate record, so that's why we're creating the partition on the all the three columns: name, department, and salary. You may wonder like why you're not considering employee ID, because employee ID has the unique record for the each row. So these are the three columns where we have the duplicates value, right? So firstly I can mention as a, we want to create a partition on the basis of employee name, then we need to pass department, and then salary, and then order by. This is order by is not mandatory, but I can still, I'm using this one, order by salary, right? So we created a one column where we are creating the partition on the basis of this one, and it will give the row number, basically give the row number for the each row on the basis of. Now if you see from this one as a row number from, so from what is our table name? Table name is DEmployees. Okay, so let's run the code. Now if you see, for this Amit we are getting 192, right? Now for the Ravi we are again getting 192, right? So we want to delete this second record from this second record. Even if future, if you have the multiple Neha also more than, like, then we are deleting second record. So whatever we got, we are going to store it to the one city. So this is the city means common table expression. So basically we are creating a temporary result set, right? And there we can perform the other operation with city as. So city name is city, and as this is syntax, opening brackets, closing bracket, right? And then what we are doing, delete from this city where Aryan, so we are given the Aryan is greater than 2. And now rather than deleting, I just show the what is the city output we will get. Select star from city, then you will get ID like. Now if I run this code, if you see, this is the output we got. So we have the Amit two times, and on we create the partition on the basis of these three column, and we created this new column, and there we assign in the row number. Again for the Ravi we are creating the row number. Now want to delete this second record for the each partition, like for the Amit partition and Ravi partition. So how we can do that? Delete from, we want to delete the record from which table? So we want to delete from our city. So this is a city name, right? Where I need to give the condition where RN is greater than 2, greater than 1, right? Because we want to delete the second record. And now if I run this code, so completion, so successfully deleted 2 records. And now if I run this our table command, if you see previously we had the 5 records, now we have only 3 records. So we deleted the each record for the Amit and Ravi. So that's all about the today's video. If you have any question, any doubt, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.